Bismillah Allahu Akbar. شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. There you go, baby. This is total submission. Total submission. This guy is ready for anything to be done to him, and he's not nervous, he's not resisting. He's in total relaxation. No panic hormones whatsoever. See, I let him go, he gets up. Abdulwahid, you want to do him?
No, you need to show to a skeptical person.
Bismillah Allahu Akbar. It's okay, baby, it's okay. I'm not doing anything yet. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. It's okay, baby. Same reaction. They all react the same. The power of the word. They're more religious than most humans. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Bismillah الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Bismillah الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. 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 Total submission. These guys had a little, they come from a bigger ranchers, so they're a little bit wild. They're not used to be touched and handled by humans. And for them to turn around and just lay down like really in total peace, answering the calling, definitely. The power of the word gets clearer and clearer after you see more and more submit. Probably some of you are wondering by now about the Arabic words that I use that makes the animals submit the way they did. The first term we use, and this is really the authentic procedure, one of the terms of authentic procedure that is being mentioned in the scripture, is in the name of God the greatest, which is Bismillah Allahu Akbar. There's another prayer that I usually use, and it's my favorite prayer and my animal's favorite prayer. It says, Bismillah alladhi la yadurru ma'a ismihi shay'un fil ardi wa la fis sama'i wa huwa as-sami'ul 'alim. The beauty of this prayer really shows some of the power of the word itself. It says, in the name of God, who's with his name no harm will come, neither in this earth nor in the skies. And he's the one that hears and listens, and he is the most knowledgeable. This is really a wonderful prayer.